So this is the knife that a lot of people associate with leatherwork. It's traditionally used by saddle makers. They come in different shapes, sizes, but normally you have a full sharp cutting edge around the side here. And when you use this knife, you hold it with a finger on the side or two to stop it from twisting, and use the palm heel of your hand to cut with. There's different variations of using this tool. Lots of people will just push and it will cut. Other people like to rock and then move the leather and gently move the knife. The biggest issue I see is when people hold it like this and push down. This is the worst way to use this knife. Do not do this. If you slip, as you can see, that is a potential issue. The first thing we always suggest that people make, if they do buy one of these knives, is a case or a sheath for it, just to keep it safe. And you need to learn how to keep this knife sharp, which will be in another video linked below. This knife is mainly used for cutting harder or firmer leathers, such as vegetable tan leathers. Would not recommend this for cutting softer pieces. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you aren't already, subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos are released. If you have any suggestions for future videos or have any questions, leave a comment down below.